Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing COOKSTOWN Court Unit 3804. This is part of the coach line of condos that you're going to find here at Bonita National and many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. This is a new listing that has just come to the market. It is a non-golf unit, so you don't pay any additional fees towards the golf membership. This condo is 3 beds, 2 bath, 2-car garage, right around 1,800 square foot. Let's go inside and take a look here. So as we come inside, you've got this nice little entryway here. And straight ahead, you've got the dining area, which overlooks the great room here. But we're going to start over to our left where the garage, guest bedrooms, laundry are. So as you come over here to the left, you do have a nice pocket door here. You can close that and give your guests all the privacy that they want back here. You've got a guest bath here with the single sink, the commode, and you've got your dual tub and shower there. Right across, you have the 2 bedrooms. In this case, one of these is being used like a sitting room. But nice sized room here. This home also features some plantation shutters, which would be part of the package. The furniture that you see in this unit, by the way, is being offered outside of the cost. So if you wanted to buy the furniture package, we could negotiate that as well. But it is being sold unfurnished. Here's the 2nd bedroom here. Again, the plantation shutters, you got a nice walk-in style closet. Really nicely done here. Directly across is going to be the laundry room, full-size washer and dryer. And then right off of here, you've got the garage. Featuring, there's just 1 car there now, but it is a 2-car garage, and you do have the painted flooring as well, which is really nice. All of the windows and doors in this home are impact glass, so you don't have to worry about any hurricane shutters or the like. And here's the great room again. You've got your master in the back corner there, but for right now, we're going to turn to the right here, where you've got your nice eating kitchen space here, and your kitchen with the bar and stools. You could fit a few more stools there if you like, but you got granite countertops, stainless appliances. You got a nice little tile backsplash, the wood cabinets, and you can still be part of the conversation at the nice bar here overlooking the great room. Now coming right across, we're going to run into the master suite here. That's a king size bed, so you get a perspective of the size here. Really nice size room. Turning around, you do have a sliding glass door which leads you out to the lanai space. And then we have the bathroom and closets. Both of the closets are nice walk-in style closets. Really good amount of space on either end. And then we have the master bath here, which on the right-hand side, you've got the soaking tub, the standalone shower. You've got the dual sinks, the private commode room, and you also have a linen closet here as well. And last but not least, we're going to take a walk outside and check out the views. So you've got a really nice sized lanai here. There's a little couch, a couple extra seats, little bistro type table, plenty of room out here. And you've got a great view. You've got part of the lake view off to the left. You've got your fairway view directly straight in front of us here. Off to the left, just past the lake, that's where the tee boxes are. And this home is going to face easterly, so you're going to get that nice sun throughout the morning time and early afternoon. But in the hottest parts of the day, you're going to have a nice shaded lanai like you're seeing here. This home also does have a weather screen. So there's a drop-down screen right there if you want to completely shut the sun out from coming into the lanai. All right, folks, so that is Unit 3804 here at Bonita National. If you're interested in this unit, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.